Back at the trough again. You ever seen a snook push a wake like that?
Not many.
Not many. On the flat, if you ever do, that's a big snook coming at you.
Yeah, I think the best way to land him is to beach him.
Yeah. He's pulling against him this way. I don't know where he's going. You want him to get outside of him, maybe, and push him in. Go ahead, go in the water.
I just don't want to get in your way.
No, go in the water. Right now.
Okay. All right. Pull him in. Pull him in.
Got to get him now.
Yeah, just reel in some more line. I don't want to touch your tippet because it might break off. Okay. There we go.
Show me the fish.